having a clear vision and mission of your business. In the dynamic landscape of business, having a crystal clear vision and mission is akin to setting sail with a well-defined destination. A compelling vision serves as the lighthouse on the horizon, offering guidance and inspiration to navigate through turbulent waters. It encapsulates the aspirational future that a business seeks to create, acting as a magnetic force that aligns the efforts of every team member. A well-crafted vision not only propels the organization forward, but also fosters a sense of purpose, motivating individuals to contribute their best towards a shared goal. Complementing the vision, a robust mission statement serves as the ship's compass, providing direction and purpose in day-to-day operations. It delineates the core values, objectives, and principles that guide decision-making and actions. A mission statement is the embodiment of the organization's identity, resonating with both internal stakeholders and external audiences. When meticulously articulated, a mission becomes a unifying force that shapes the organizational culture and enhances brand authenticity. In essence, a compelling mission not only outlines what a business does, but also why it matters, creating a narrative that transcends profit margins. Having a well-defined vision and mission is not a one-time exercise, but an ongoing commitment to clarity and relevance. As businesses evolve in response to market dynamics, technological advancements, and societal shifts, revisiting and refining the vision and mission becomes imperative. This adaptability ensures that the lighthouse and compass remain accurate and continue to guide the organization toward success. It fosters agility, allowing businesses to pivot without losing sight of their overarching purpose. Ultimately, a business with a clear vision and mission is not merely a ship sailing the seas of commerce. It becomes a purpose-driven entity that leaves an indelible mark on the industry landscape. An organization's vision and mission serve as the North Star, providing a constant reference point that empowers strategic decision-making. A well-communicated vision acts as a rallying cry, fostering a shared understanding of the destination among employees and stakeholders. This shared vision becomes a powerful motivator, aligning diverse talents and efforts toward a common goal. In essence, it transforms the workplace into a dynamic ecosystem where individuals are not just employees, but contributors to a collective dream. This unity of purpose breeds a culture of collaboration, innovation, and resilience, essential ingredients for sustained success in the ever-evolving business environment. Furthermore, a clear vision and mission act as a dynamic framework for goal setting and performance evaluation. When every initiative and project aligns with the overarching vision, it creates a roadmap that leads to the realization of long-term objectives. This strategic alignment minimizes the risk of drifting off course and ensures that the organization's resources are invested wisely. Moreover, it provides a yardstick for measuring success, enabling leaders to assess progress and make informed adjustments. A cohesive vision and mission, when integrated into the fabric of daily operations, foster an environment where employees understand their individual contributions to the broader narrative, resulting in increased job satisfaction and engagement. Beyond the internal benefits, a well-defined vision and mission also resonate with external stakeholders, including customers, investors, and partners. In an era where consumers seek authentic connections with brands, a compelling narrative goes beyond products or services. It establishes an emotional connection, engendering trust and loyalty. Investors, too, are drawn to organizations with a clear sense of purpose, seeing them as more than profit-centric entities. Partnerships with like-minded organizations become more meaningful, as shared values create a foundation for collaboration. Thus, a thoughtfully crafted vision and mission not only guide internal strategies but also enhance the organization's reputation and attractiveness in the broader marketplace. Moreover, a well-articulated vision and mission statement provide a framework for ethical decision-making. In an era where corporate responsibility is under increasing scrutiny, a clear guiding philosophy helps organizations navigate ethical dilemmas. A strong mission statement, rooted in principles and values, becomes a touchstone for ethical behavior, guiding employees in making decisions that align with the organization's moral compass. This ethical foundation not only protects the business from reputational risks, but also fosters a culture of integrity and responsibility, reinforcing the organization's commitment to societal well-being. The process of defining and refining a vision and mission is not just a leadership prerogative. It involves the active participation of employees at all levels. When employees contribute to shaping the organizational vision, they develop a sense of ownership and pride. This involvement transforms the vision from a lofty statement into a lived experience where every individual feels an integral part of the journey. In turn, this sense of belonging enhances employee morale, productivity, and retention, creating a positive feedback loop that propels the organization toward its goals. In conclusion, a clear vision and mission are not static artifacts, but living, breathing elements that breathe life into an organization. They serve as the foundation for strategic alignment, ethical decision-making, and stakeholder engagement. Embracing the power of a compelling vision and mission is not just about surviving in the competitive business landscape, but thriving with purpose, resilience, and a lasting impact. As businesses continue to evolve, those with a steadfast vision and mission will not only weather storms, but also emerge as beacons of inspiration and success in an ever-changing world. Furthermore, a well-defined vision and mission contribute significantly to innovation and adaptability. In a rapidly changing business environment, organizations must be agile and responsive to emerging trends and challenges. A clear vision serves as a guiding star during times of uncertainty, offering a constant point of reference that aids decision-makers in navigating uncharted territories. This foresight encourages a proactive approach to change, fostering a culture where employees are empowered to think creatively and embrace innovation. With a shared understanding of the ultimate goal, teams are more likely to experiment with new ideas, technologies, and approaches, driving the organization's capacity to evolve and stay ahead of the curve. Importantly, a compelling vision and mission statement create a narrative that extends beyond the confines of the workplace, resonating with a broader audience. Customers increasingly seek brands that align with their values, and a well-articulated mission provides a unique selling proposition beyond the features of a product or service. It becomes a powerful tool for marketing and branding, differentiating the organization in a crowded marketplace. This external resonance not only attracts customers, but also positions the business as a positive force in society, contributing to its long-term sustainability and relevance. Lastly, a clear vision and mission foster resilience in the face of challenges. Business landscapes are rife with uncertainties, from economic downturns to unforeseen crises. In such times, a well-communicated vision acts as an anchor, instilling confidence and determination among employees. It provides a sense of purpose that goes beyond immediate challenges, motivating teams to persevere and adapt. A resilient organization grounded in a strong vision and mission is better equipped to weather storms, learn from setbacks, and emerge stronger on the other side. In essence, a clear vision and mission are not merely strategic tools. They are the lifeblood of a thriving and enduring organization. As businesses navigate the complexities of the modern world, those with a steadfast vision and mission are not just charting a course. They are crafting a legacy that transcends the bottom line and leaves an indelible mark on the business landscape.